Hi friends, today we will see how to install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS with software Raid-0. To install the operating system, you need to download the operating system. Open Google and type Ubuntu 24.04 download. You will see the screen. Go for desktop. You can download the operating system here. For saving the time, I have already downloaded the operating system. We'll straight away jump to the installation process and configure the Raid-0. Raid-0 is stripping. So you can club two hard drive and increase the size of the hard drive. Let's say we are about to configure 25 GB of Raid-0 two hard drives. So it will be visible as 50 GB. So to do that, we will install this VM using Oracle VirtualBox. Oracle VirtualBox is a free and open source software. You can create any number of operating systems and any versions of OS, and you can create a operating virtual machine. For the test environment, let's give the name as test. This is the name of the virtual machine. So let us select the operating system ISO image. I have already downloaded the server version. Let's select it. So the type is Linux and the version is Ubuntu 64.8. Click next. So this is the username for the VirtualBox, not the operating system. So we will give it as test to make it as easy as possible. Test123. Test123. The host name it has been taken as test. Let it be default. Click next. So here it's asking to assign the memory. So I have 16 gigs of memory. So let me give 8 gigs for faster installation. So I'm assigning 5 cores of my processor. Click next. As you can see, the VirtualBox is automatically creating a hard drive of 25 GB. But in our scenario, we are creating a Raid-0 stripping. So we need 2 hard drives minimum. So click next. So you can verify the final configuration. We are giving 8 GB of memory and processor core as 5 and 1 hard drive of 25 GB. We need to add one more hard drive to configure the software RAID. Click finish. So the VM is powering on now. So if you want to assign one more hard drive, we need to power off this virtual machine. To power off this virtual machine, right click, stop, power off. Now if you want to add one more hard drive, go to settings, go to storage, select the controller, select add hard drive. You have only one hard drive, but you need 2 hard drives to create software RAID. Click create, select virtual hard disk, click next. So as you can see, it is taking 25 GB of my storage. So Raid-0 is stripping, so it will combine 2 hard drives of 25 GB and we will have to get 50 GB as our hard drive. Let us see if we succeed in this scenario. Click choose, click OK. Now let's start the virtual machine. This type of software RAID is useful when you don't have the physical RAID controller present in your server or desktop. So let me maximize the screen. You can see the screen size is very small. To increase the screen size, click view, go to scale mode, hit switch. Now I can see the screen in full screen mode. This is an error message. as we are installing this machine in a virtual environment. Now the operating system installation process has started. Let us give some time so that the operating system get installed. This is a server operating system, Ubuntu 24.04, so you will not be having any GUI mode, so you will be having only command line. It's connecting to the internet for verification. Now you can see the first screen of the installation. It's asking for the language selection. Let us select English and hit enter. It's asking for the keyboard layout language. Let it be default English US. Hit done. Now here you are asking for choose the base for the installation. You can select Ubuntu server or Ubuntu server minimized, as we are about to install software Raid-0, so you will be needing MDM package. So for the safer side, we are installing Ubuntu server. Hit done. Here you are asking for assigning the IP address for the Ethernet. So as this is a test environment, we are not giving any IP address to the machine. Let it be DHCP. Hit done. It's asking for the proxy server. Let it be default. Hit done. Now it's testing the mirror location is being tested for the software repository of Ubuntu. Let it select it. So hit done. Click continue. Here it's by default it has been selected as use as entire disk. So if you are going for entire disk, you will not be able to configure the RAID. So to configure the RAID-0, you need to select custom storage layout. Hit done. Now you can see you are able to see 225 GB of hard drives. To configure the RAID-0, you need to make the primary, select the hard drives as primary, as use as boot device. Hit enter. Go for the second hard drive and add this hard drive also as another boot device, as the boot files will be copied in these hard drives. Go for free space hard drive. Hit add GPT partitions. In this screen, hit leave unformatted. Hit create. Go for second hard drive. Select add GPT partition. Here also in format option, go for leave unformatted. Click create. Now you can see partitions has been created with new and it's unused. Now you need to create the software RAID. Hit enter. Now the software RAID name has been taken MD0. Now we are about to install RAID-0 stripping. So select as RAID-0. To configure RAID-0, you will be requiring minimum 2 numbers of hard disks. Select the hard drive. Click create. Now you can see the RAID has been configured and you are able to see 49.95 GB of storage. It has combined 25 GB of 2 hard drives and you are able to see 49.59 GB. Now you need to format the drive. Go to format. Let it be ext4 and mode point will be root. Click done. Now you can see it's 49.96 GB new ext4 and device is software RAID-0. Now we are good to go. Software RAID has been configured. Hit done. It's asking for the confirmation. Hit continue. It's asking for the username for the operating system. As this is a test scenario, we will give the username as test and server name is also test. Username also we will give it as test and the password we will give it as test123 and test123. Hit done. Now it's asking for Ubuntu Pro setup. So as we are not going with any support package now, hit continue. It is asking to install the OpenSSH server. As of now, there is no need of connecting any remote machines to this machine, as we are going only for the software RAID-0. Click done. Now the installation process has been started. It may take around 2-3 minutes to install the operating system. Once the operating system gets installed, it will ask you to reboot. It's configuring the keyboard. Now installing the packages. Now it's configuring the RAID. Now it's installing the kernel. It may take 1 minute or so to complete the installation. Software RAID is very useful when you don't have physical RAID controller present in the server. Whenever any user is telling you to configure, this is the easiest way to configure the RAID, software RAID in the operating system. Now the installation is about to get finished. It's installing the grub. The installation has been completed. Now it's asking you to reboot. Hit reboot now. Now the operating system is rebooting and Ubuntu 24.04 is about to boot for the first time. Once the restart is completed, you will be able to see the login prompt. Yes, you can see, you can able to see the login prompt. Let us give the username as test and password as test123. Hit enter. The login has been successfully done. Now you can see I'm into the login prompt. Now to confirm the installation, let's type host name ctl. Hit enter. Now you can see the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS has been installed with the kernel 6.8. Now if you want to confirm the RAID has been configured successfully, write lsblk. Hit enter. Now you can see SD1, SDA1, SDA2 has been combined and MD0 has been configured with 50 GB as Raid-0. And you can see SDB also, it is saying it both are same and it is giving as 50. It is a striped one, so it has combined both the hard drives and added the total storage of 25 GB plus 25 GB to 50 GB. So this is the easiest way to configure the software RAID. Please let me know if you have any questions or queries. Comment me on comment section. Please like the video, and if you need any more support, please let me know. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you, friends.